Yo, what is up, you guys? My name is Eric and welcome back to my channel. Today, beautiful morning, starting it off in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I haven't been up this early in quite a while, but today's not about me. Today's about her. So you guys know I got my carbon fiber lip from Jason. Shout out to Jason. And look guys, I even bought like the LED strip that's supposed to go on right here and the demon eyes, but I didn't know that the LED strip, I got the wrong size. I got 3-inch, me thinking that it was gonna be 3 feet, and yeah, it's only like that big. So I don't even know if I should put it, maybe I could put it right here, but nah. But today guys, picking up my new wheels. Really excited, picking up my first ever pair of wheels. Anyways, let's get to it. My phone, gotta secure the money. Oh, yup. Let's put it right there. All right. Oh, yup. Cold start.
6.5 hours later.
All right guys, just loaded up all the wheels. Wheels are back there, secured them. The warehouse right there. Honestly, pretty far of a drive, but hella worth it. They're super cheap. I got these wheels super cheap. I don't know, should I tell you guys how much I paid? Nah, I'm not gonna tell you guys. Never mind. I'm not gonna tell you guys. But just know they're having a warehouse sale, so I had to stop by and get them. So yeah, now to go back home and yeah, try to fit them into my car. I don't know if they're gonna fit, but we'll try. All right guys, so we just came back home. I managed to fit all 4 of my wheels in here. So I got 2 right here, 1 right here, and I had to take off the box for the other one. You can't really see it, but it's in the trunk. So all of the wheels fit. If you could fit 2 boxes up here, 1 box right here, and 1 without the box in the very back. So yeah, it fits. So now guys, time to go to my cousin's house. Guys, I'm so excited. You guys don't know how much I'm excited. Although guys, these are Vardoben, I think that's how you pronounce them. So these are kind of like rep wheels. They're not, I mean, they're real wheels, but they're not like authentic like the Volk, I think that's what they're called, Volk racing wheels. They're not those wheels. These are like replicas, but I don't give a fuck. I mean, I think I got a pretty good deal out of these. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I paid for them because I just don't want like any numbers out there. But if you guys want to check them out on Facebook. They have all their listings right there, Vardoven Warehouse, and they're having a sale right now. So yeah. I got a good deal out of them. Had to drive all the way to LA right now with my girl, and we picked them up, and I think I underpaid the guy because I found an extra, I think it was like what, $40? Yeah, I found an extra $40 laying on the floor, so I think I underpaid the guy, but it's all good. Now all I gotta do is find tires for them and just slap them on. Tomorrow I'm actually going to go get my car lowered, and that's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna be more lowered, and I'm also gonna be with wheels. So these are 18-inch wheels. Really don't know the specs on these, but they're right there if you guys can see them. So different specs from in the front and in the back. I think in the front it's 9.5, 18 by 9.5, and the rears are 10.5. Yeah, and the offset is I don't really know the offset. I can't see it right now, but I have a list. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna be planning on doing mod this once I'm done with my bumper, wheels, and a couple other things that I have coming right now. Just waiting on my bumper to be coming. It should be coming in any day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just show you guys really fast. So you guys are the first ones to see this other than my girl, but these are the reels that I won't be rocking. And yeah, just a sneak little peek. Alright guys, so just left my cousin's house. I tried ordering on Postmates to deliver food because they got food too, and I'm pretty hungry, but freaking Postmates canceled my order. I don't know why. So now I'm at what is this place called? George's Burgers, and getting myself a burger, something to drink. Still got my wheels right here, and I'm looking for tires, but I don't think I'm gonna get my tires until next week. Next week Friday when I get paid. That's when I'm gonna get my tires, and then I'll just slap them on. Tomorrow I'm getting lowered tomorrow, so that's gonna be good. Well, you guys already know whose car that is. Yep, that's Jason's car, guys. So I came with Jason for a little bit. We're gonna go take some pictures and I don't know, just do something for you guys, you know? I forgot, oh my god, I forgot that these wheels are like not secured, so I have to put my seatbelt over this shit right now. Right now, this shit keeps on moving. But yeah guys, who said you can't fit 4 wheels in a Z? Who said the Z's not grocery getters? Oh man. Whose pops do you think are louder? Mine or Jason's? Let me know, guys. I personally think my pops are louder, but I think his pops are like more cleaner, if you get what I'm trying to say.
I'll give you $10 once you go down there.
Hell yeah.
I need the money.
Oh look, you took too long. Alright guys, tried to make the sunset, but it didn't work out. It's already down, so now we'll just take some pictures. We always come here. Look guys, I was gonna film over there for you guys, but my camera fell and broke my lens. Ding, look, imagine, are these like tanks, or are these, yeah, like, are these tanks of gas? Imagine coming up on one. Oh! You guys want a little cinematic for you guys? You guys want cinematic? I'll get you cinematic. Let's go. Ah, fuck my wheels! Alright guys, so we're going to a different we're going to a parking structure at our local mall. Jeez, look at Jason's car. Woo. Stop! Had to fill up on 85. Bruh. $1.99. Station number 2. So the first one, they were all closed up. Couldn't go in, so we just parked right here. And yeah. Carlos over there. I'm right here. Ugly ass Jason over there. Alright guys, I'm about to do something for you guys. So this is all for Instagram. Yeah. Oh man, I'm a fool. Well yeah, I took out my rim. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here are the rims. I just don't know what tires to get, but these are 18-inch rims. If you guys are wondering, 18 by 9.5 in the front and 18 by 10.5 in the rear. Front is plus 12 offset. I forgot what the rear is, but
Oh, where are my viewers going? No, come back.
Alright guys, well I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, like this video, subscribe, turn on that post notification because why not? We make lit videos. Yeah guys, so if you guys follow my Instagram, I'll post a picture of the new wheels. Well, you guys already saw it, but still, go like it, subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff. Here comes Jason. I'm gonna end this video before he comes. Peace out guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Hello guys, the video is not over. We're still gonna go with some girls. And by girls I mean our moms because we're faithful, right?
Yeah.